boys and girls, welcome back to our very own reading corner. So today we're going to be reading a book called What Are Planets? So guys, let's start. What is a planet? Not all scientists agree on the definition of a planet, but many follow 3 rules. Rule 1. A planet is an object in space that orbits or travels around a star. Rule 2. A planet must be nearly round. Rule 3. A planet cannot share its orbit with a smaller object. Did you guys know that? I knew that. So planets are round objects that orbit around a star. But for us, that would be a sun. And they do not share their orbit with another smaller object. Following these rules, there are 8 planets that orbit our sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Ooh, I want to read this. This looks like a cool caption. There's a blue box. There's only one star in our solar system. We call it the sun. So sun is a star, but it is actually a medium-sized star. Some people may call it a large-sized star, but it's actually a medium-sized star. Rocky planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the terrestrial planets in our solar system. They have solid, rocky outer layers and metal inner layers. There's another blue caption. Let me read it. Terrestrial planets are also called rocky planets. Giant planets! Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are giant planets. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants. They are mostly made up of gases. Yeah, Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants, but in Jupiter, I don't know if you guys can see, just look up closely. In Jupiter, on the right hand, a little bit on the bottom side, there's a small dot that's like an oval. It's a little bit red. That's actually a storm. That's the red storm that happens in Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Its famous Great Red Spot is a storm that rotates counterclockwise. See guys, I told you. You guys see that it's still a little bit close to the right. It's a little bit in the middle, but it's still on the bottom. You see that oval of swirl over there? If you look through a telescope at Saturn, you can see its rings. The rings are made up of ice and rock. They're actually also made up of ice because it's farther away from the sun. Uranus and Neptune are ice giants. Their surfaces are mostly ice. Of all the planets, Uranus gets the coldest, even though Neptune is the farthest from the sun. Oh, I didn't know that. And also, Uranus and Neptune are actually made of ice. That's why they look blue. Dwarf planets. Beyond Neptune is the Kuiper Belt, home to several dwarf planets. Unlike a planet, a dwarf planet shares its orbit with smaller objects. So let's read the caption. The Kuiper Belt is filled with icy objects left over from when the solar system was formed. And also, guys, Pluto is actually a dwarf planet. It's not a planet anymore, if you guys didn't know that yet. Because Pluto is actually since Pluto is the size of all the other dwarf planets that are in the Kuiper Belt, that's why it's also now, instead of naming all the other asteroids and things in the Kuiper Belt, they now just took it away from the solar system, so it's easier. Also, Pluto is not a planet because it shares its orbit with other little dwarf planets that are from the Kuiper Belt. Oh my god, now it's about Pluto. How do I keep saying the thing that's in front? Pluto was once known as our 9th planet. In 2006, Pluto was grouped with other dwarf planets. That's because it shares its orbit with smaller objects in the Kuiper Belt. And there's another caption. Some scientists believe there are at least 100 more dwarf planets in our solar system and thousands more beyond the Kuiper Belt. Exoplanets. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. Scientists have confirmed more than 3,000 exoplanets using land and space-based telescopes. The Kepler Observatory is a space-based telescope. With information gathered by Kepler scientists were excited to discover an Earth-sized exoplanet that could support surface water. They named it the Kepler 186f. Kepler and other space telescopes continue to help us explore the possibility of life beyond our solar system. Oh, that's interesting to know. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this video was actually about learning all the planets in the solar system and how they're ordered, especially how you identify them. So guys, I have 3 questions for you guys, so I'll just ask them. So my first question is, what is the definition of an exoplanet, and name the exoplanet that was in this book that was mentioned? My second question is, order all the planets that are in the solar system from the first to the last. My third question is, can you guys name all the gas giants and all of the ice giants that are inside our solar system? Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button and subscribe if you guys want more of these videos, and I'll see you guys next time in another video.